Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to enable Draw V2 turn on torchlight and Draw O2 open camera in Oneplus 9RT smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone updates. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the settings of the phone. Then choose convenience tools from the list. Then select gestures and motions. Then choose screen of gestures. Now enable the draw on O2 open the camera and draw a V2 turn flashlight on or off. So now we check the gesture, lock the phone. Now I draw O, it will open the camera, you can see. Now I draw V, it will open the flashlight. Again I draw the V, it will turn off the flashlight. It's working very flawlessly, you can see. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.